How to claim for a cancelled flight on AirHelp. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can check compensation, or how you can claim for a cancelled flight. That is, claim your compensation for a cancelled flight on AirHelp. So let's go. The first step is to visit airhelp.com, and then once you're on the website, the next step is for you to move to the top part of the screen where you can see some tabs such as get compensation, protect your flights, know your rights. So place your cursor on that, and then in drop down menu that appears, ensure you select flight cancellation compensation. So yeah, an article we provided to show you how the compensation works and how you can get the compensation. So ensure you read through to understand, and then once you're satisfied, move to the right side of the box here that says check compensation and click on that. Then after clicking on the check compensation page, you'll be redirected to the page where you can check if you're eligible or not. Then to do that, enter in your departure airport here, then your final destination, then select it if you have any connecting flight. Then move to the bottom right corner and click on the continue icon. Then once you've done that, you'll be taken to the next stage, which is the additional information stage, where you'll be asked things like a flight number, you'll be asked travel dates and all. Ensure you do that. Then you'll be taken to the documents page where you might be asked to upload your boarding pass and other documents that are necessary. Ensure you do that, then finish the process, and if you're eligible, you would get the compensation, and you would be able to claim compensation for your cancelled flight on AirHelp. Very, very simple and very, very easy. Just ensure that you have all the information needed to do that. Thank you for watching and have a good day.